welcome to MojisStyle Club.
Hi everyone, and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If today is your first time seeing me, welcome to MojisStyle. I would definitely love for you to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every single time when I do upload a video. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Here's my inspiration. The first one is going for $393.80. And the second one is going for $101.99. Here's the mirror that I'm using, which is from Walmart. They do have two different types of gold mirrors at Walmart. The first one, which is a smaller mirror, it's about $5. And the second one, which has a thicker frame, is about $10. And I'll be using 3 of this garden fans from the Dollar Tree. I was inspired by Catherine from Doing It on a Dime. She used this in one of her DIYs. So the first shape that I'll be cutting out is the double C with the arrow at the top. You need 3 of that. The next shape is the oval shape. You also need 3 of that. And you would need 6 of the C shape here and a very small arrow. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut out my shapes. I'm using my box cutter to do this, but you can use a scissors, which I think will be easier. But I decided to use my box cutter to cut mine out. So for the corners of the mirror, I'll be using this. So I went ahead and I sprayed all my pieces using my Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. So we're just going to go ahead and arrange our pieces onto the mirror. So for the corners, I went ahead and I put my pieces there. So again, this is what I did. I took the very top of that fence and I measured it to the 4 corners of the mirror. And that's basically for that. So the first one is the double C with the arrow and then the oval. And we have the C's on the right hand side and on the left hand side. And again, the double C's with the arrow, oval, and then you just basically just going to repeat the same steps until you're done putting all 6 pieces on there. And this is what I have. So to attach my shapes onto my mirror, I'll be using hot glue and E6000. So all I did was apply some E6000 onto the back of my shape. And I also applied a little bit of hot glue to help hold it in place while my E6000 dries. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for all my pieces. So I'm basically just repeating the same steps for all of the shapes that I have on my mirror. So the next step is optional. I decided to add this gem to the curve of every shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot glue to place that onto my piece. And this is a very, very lightweight mirror, so I decided to use the command strips that holds up to 16 pounds to hang it on my wall. And here's the final result of my DIY here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What do you think about this beautiful and gorgeous DIY? Let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. Would you use gold? Would you use silver? Would you put the gems? Where would you place this in your home? I think this would be beautiful in a hallway or a living room or even a bathroom. Let me know where you would place this in your home if you do decide to do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I would love for you to join the MojisStyle family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a blessed week. Love you all. Bye-bye.